Hello everyone, today let's learn about the installation method of CLT-406 series compatible toner chip. Firstly, confirm the version of the chip: Chinese, Korean, Europe, English, Middle East, region of 5 versions. The chip version shall be consistent with the machine, the specific region, as shown in the figure. After the chip version is confirmed, next, I will show you how to install the chip. Get a new joining in the chip. Chip's notch face down. Put it in this slot. Follow this card slot. Push to the state where the chip is locked. The chip is installed. Chip installation position of compatible toner cartridge. The 4 hole locations on the right are used. The leftmost hole is empty. Compare the chip position of the original cartridge. This is the location of the original cartridge chip. We'll find out why. The chip contact points must be aligned. Otherwise, the machine will not touch the chip. It will affect the normal use of the printer, so we can only use the 4 contact hole positions on the right. The left contact hole should be empty. In this way, the chip can be recognized by the printer. Any question about chip, please ask Janinda. Welcome to leave us message in the comments section. We will help you solve your problem actively.